Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm here at new drive test center at Peterborough. So we're gonna go for the practice here. So I'm gonna leaving from parking lot. So make sure that you will scan both side and try to stay on your side. You must have to give signal here and check your blind spot. From here they're gonna take you right. So you have to give right signal. Be careful here. People come very fast. You will move only when it's safe to do so. Take your time. So now the way is clear. I will check my blind spot and turn into your lane. Here they will ask you to do the lane change. So you have to check your rear view mirror, give signal, check your blind spot and then do the lane change. Speed limit is 50 here. So we'll scan both sides at this intersection. So at this traffic light they will ask you to go straight. Scan both sides. Upcoming traffic light we will go left, so you can come to the left lane from here because we have a broken line on our side. Check your blind spot and we will come to this lane. So whenever you stop behind any vehicle, you have to make sure that you will keep 1 car distance. So here you will get advanced green, but if it turns to yellow, so that means you have to wait in the center. Like this guy is waiting in front of us. So 1 car at one time in intersection. So you will take your time here. You will move only when it's safe to do so. There's a lot of traffic here, so make sure that you will take your time. Don't try to catch yellow light during your test. It's a straight fail. If it turns to yellow, it's better to slow down and stop. So now this guy is moving, so we can take his place and our way is clear. We will check blind spot and we'll finish our turn. After making left turn, we must have to come to the right lane and speed limit here is 60. So mirror signal blind spot and come to your side. From here they will take you towards highway. So 60 is the speed here. They will ask you to do multiple lane changes here. So make sure that you will be ready for that and do it only when it's safe to do so. Otherwise you will not try to attempt. And whenever you will pass any intersection, you will look both sides. Especially at the bend, try to control your speed. And before brake, you have to check your rear view mirror as well. So examiner gonna watch for your head movement, so make sure that you will move your head so that they can see that you're checking. A complete stop here. Scan both sides and then move. Here they will ask you to do the lane change to the left. So check your mirror, give signal, check your blind spot, and do the lane change only when it's safe to do so. So light turns to yellow, we will slow down and stop, we will not try to catch it. Scan both sides and you will move. Speed limit is 60 here. Now we're gonna go towards highway. Scan both sides. So from here you will start speeding up and you have to merge at 100. So for merging, our speed has to be from 95 to 100 if our way is clear. So our way is clear, I will check my mirror, give signal, check blind spot, and do the lane change. Here they will ask you to do the lane change on the highway to the left, and then you have to come back to the right lane. Do it only when it's safe to do so. A lot of people, they do mistake here. They try to go and they are not able to come back. So make sure that you will only do it when it's safe to do so, because they will ask you to take exit here. So mirror, signal, blind spot, come into your lane first and then leave the gas pedal. Let your car slow down by itself. There is no need to apply a brake here. Let your car move. Let your car slow down by itself. So now it says 70 is a recommended speed. So that sign is in a black and yellow, so it's just a recommended speed. So let your car slow down by itself, and if you want to control at 70 or 75, you can go at that speed. Now at upcoming stop sign, they will ask you to go left. So since we are in a turning lane, we will give our signal. So left signal is on, left side blind spot check. We will come to a complete stop here before solid white line. Now we will count 3 seconds and we will inch forward. Scan both sides, move only when it's safe to do so, and turn into your lane. There is no speed posted, so it's a countryside road, so we can drive at 80, but go at 65 or 70 because you have to take an exit. So now we're going to take exit from here. So right signal on, right side blind spot check. So we're going towards again highway 115. Speed limit is 40 here, so we'll go at the speed that we can control the car. Try to stay in between the lines, white and yellow line, and then you will start speeding up. As soon as your car is straight, start speeding up, and don't wait for the last minute to do the merge. Try to do merge as soon as you can. Make sure that you will take your time and you will speed up quick. The more quicker you will speed up, it's going to be more easy for you to do the merging. A lot of people, they wait for the last minute and they get into panic. Here they will ask you to do the lane change to the left and come back to the right lane. So as I told you, do it only when it's safe to do so. So there is a lot of traffic. I'm not able to do the lane change. I will not try to attempt right now. So mirror, signal, blind spot, but no, I have to take exit here. So mirror, signal, blind spot, I will do the exit here. So if you're not able to do the lane change on the highway, it's okay, because we don't want to put ourselves in a trouble. So here we will slowly control our speed. 60 is the recommended speed. So from here onwards is gonna be 60 speed. So now everywhere is gonna be 60. Once you approach to this bridge, cover your brake because it's a bend here and your visibility gonna be less. Might be it's a traffic ahead of you. So 1 car distance when you stop behind any vehicle. From this traffic light, we're gonna go straight. Speed limit is 60 here. So they will ask you to do the lane change to the left and then come back to the right lane. So do it only when it's safe to do so. So mirror, signal, blind spot check, and we will do the lane change. Now we have to come back to the right lane. So make sure that you will find a good gap and then you will try to attempt. So adjust your speed and do the lane change. So at this traffic light, they will take you straight. So we are near to Costco. You're gonna find Costco on your right hand side, and from here we have to go straight. Both hands has to be at 9-3 position on your steering wheel. Scan both sides. Now from here they will ask you to switch lane to the right. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and we will come into our lane. So this lane exits, so our signal will remain on. Either they will take you straight or they will ask you to take exit from here. And here you will check your left side blind spot 1 time and then you will move. So speed limit on this road is 50. If you're not able to find any speed sign, you will drive at 50. Keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Here we don't have to stop, we will continue driving. Scan both sides again. So at this bend, be careful because it's a very sharp bend. So again, it's a sharp bend. It says 20 is the recommended speed. So go slow here, don't go fast. Scan both sides, and upcoming traffic light we will turn left. So left signal on, left side blind spot check, and we will come into our lane. So once you will finish your left turn from here, the test center is on right hand side. So you will not speed up because you're gonna get advanced green. So advanced green means you can go. So don't speed up here. Keep checking your surroundings, keep moving your head. So the test's gonna be for 20 minutes because this route gonna take you 20 minutes. So for 20 minutes you have to be very careful. So now we have advanced green, so we can finish our turn, and after making left turn we must have to come to the right lane as soon as you can, and then give signal, check blind spot and come to the right lane, and we will turn right here, check blind spot and finish your turn, and they will ask you to park here on the left hand side, so you will do the parking on the left hand side. That's how you will do in your test. I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel as well.